Aloha Kauai. Here's our daily COVID-19 briefing from Team Kauai for Sunday, April 19th. The number of total confirmed cases still remains at 21. Of those 21 cases, 17 individuals have either recovered or returned to their home on the mainland. The remaining 4 active cases are residents, 3 are in home isolation, and 1 remains in isolation in the hospital. All but 1 case has been confirmed to be travel-related. Kauai's tally of cases and other information on COVID-19 can be found on the Kauai Emergency Management Agency or KEMA site at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. To view the total number of positive cases across the state, please visit hawaiicovid19.com. The daily count on this site is updated at noon every day. I know there are a few people who are frustrated with the restrictions and safeguards that we have implemented in response to a pandemic that is slicing through some of the most robust healthcare systems in the world. We thought they would be impervious to such an outbreak. Some people have a fear and distrust of your government, and some may feel that they are not a part of this government. I want to say that we understand. Some of the most heinous acts on people have been from the very own government that is there to protect them, from governments that we should all be able to trust. But this is local government, the government closest to the community because it is a part of our community. Here on Kauai, we're your neighbors. We go to the same churches, we go to the same beaches and playgrounds. Our kids go to the same schools that your kids go to. We are a part of this community. Everything that we do is out of the love for this island and her people. We know that many of our people are hurting. Many of our people are afraid. We are right here alongside of you, and we will be with you until we get back to the home that we once knew. Yes, it will take some time. Yes, it will take tremendous amount of personal sacrifice. And yes, there will be hardship, but we will not stop working until all of us emerge safely. As a community, we make sacrifices not for ourselves, but we make them for each other. We make them for our elderly population and for those that are most vulnerable. We make sacrifices for our healthcare workers who day in and day out find the courage to show up to provide the healthcare that all of us are dependent on. And even now, when they most especially need us, they find the courage to make sure that we are all safe, even if we're complete strangers to them. We owe it to them to be here for them when they need us the most. Kauai has been here before. We have seen tough and challenging times, and each time we emerge stronger and tighter as a community. Your local government will not stop working and grinding away until all of this is over. We're right here alongside each and every one of you today and tomorrow. And tomorrow will be a better day because it's one step closer to better and brighter days ahead. One step in front of the other, lockstep all the way. As we wrap up, a few more reminders that we've been pushing through the past few days. If you have not completed your Census 2020 survey, please do that today. It's a simple 10-question survey, but your response counts to help our island receive our fair share of federal funding. You can complete the paper census form that you received in the mail. Or if you did not receive a form in the mail, please complete your survey online or by phone by visiting hawaiicounts.org for more information. As an additional reminder, the Department of Education is continuing its grab-and-go meal programs for keiki, 18 years and younger on Kauai. Participating schools include Koloa Elementary, Kekaha Elementary, Kapa'a High School, Chiefess Kamakahele Middle School, and Waimea High School. Breakfast pickup is from 7:30 a.m. to 8 a.m. and lunches from 11:30 a.m. to 12 noon. There will be no personal interaction between DOE employees and the community. All meals will be placed in containers and pickup is outside. That's your COVID-19 update for today. Let's continue to be responsible in our actions to slow the spread of COVID-19 on our island so that we can keep making forward progress and taking a staged approach to get people back to work in a way that is safe and responsible. That means we need to stay home as much as possible, refrain from social gatherings or public outings. If you must interact with people outside of your home, keep a distance of 6 feet of separation and wear a mask. Do not leave home if you're sick unless you're seeking medical attention, and then only after calling your doctor first. Wash your hands frequently and clean surfaces often. We're going to get through this. Kauai, stay informed and connected during this time of social distancing. We'll continue to post updates on our official County of Kauai Facebook page or on our Kauai Emergency Management Agency page at www.kauai.gov/COVID-19. The Centers for Disease Control is also updating its website regularly. For more information, please visit coronavirus.gov. Not everyone has internet access or follows the news, so please help to keep your loved ones informed. Once again, Kauai, we can do this. Hang in there. God bless and aloha.